Take a minute, girl, come sit down and tell us what's been happening. In your face, I can see the pain. Don't you try to convince us that you're happy, yeah. We've seen this all before, and we're taking advantage of the passion. Because we come too far for you to feel alone. You don't let us walk over your heart. I'm telling you, girl. I can tell you've been quiet and needing somebody to talk to, girl. I can tell he's been lying and pretending that he's faithful and he loves you. Girl, you don't have to be hiding. Don't you be ashamed to say hurt. I'm your girl. You're my girl. We are girls. Don't you know that we love you? Don't know about him as I can't let him go because he needs me. And he really getting stressed from his job and I ain't taking it easy. He might most of the time, but I know you can tell he don't mean it. It gets hard sometimes, but I need my man. I don't think y'all understand. I'm telling you, girl, understand. Don't be ashamed of your friend. I can tell he's been lying to you. He's no good for you. Be hiding, don't you be ashamed to say her. I'm your girl, you're my girl, we are girls. Don't you know that we love you? I can tell he's been lying. I can see it in your eyes. I can tell he's been lying. I can see it in your eyes. Who you are, don't be ashamed of who you are. You're my girl, we are girls. Don't you know that we love you? Take a little look at yourself. You know that you're going to hell. We don't never see you down like this. What you mean you need us to help? We know